In this class, we are going to learn 8085 microprocessor programming concept where how to write assembly language and execute this. And now we are going to perform addition of three numbers using 8085 simulator. So let's see the example and try to understand the addition of three numbers. So first and all, MPI code MPI first register we are used a register, that means accumulator. Suppose enter 5 first input values and now enter second input values MPI B register. Okay, suppose you enter 04 second input and third input MPI move immediate within C register. So 0 3, this is the three input values, and now add these three numbers. So first and all, add B, that means A plus B, that means A values and B values are sum and stored in accumulator. Now add C, that means now present accumulator value add with C values. So this is the, and then we store this value at a particular location. So it's TA code, then STS, suppose you address enter 9004. Okay, so 900 suppose 3, and then HLT halt, that means stop the program, and here H, that means hexadecimal code. Okay, so run this program code. First of all, assemble and run. So you can see this is the output 0C. We know 0 5 0 plus 4 and plus 3, that means 12 or 12 values in hex code where no capital C. So this is the output. So how is it is occur, how is it occur? So just explain it binary code. Suppose 0 uh, so we know B, that means B plus B plus A values, or A values, that means 5 plus 4. Okay, so 9, and then C plus A, that means 9 plus 3. So total values 12, and this 12 in this decimal number in hex code 0C. Okay, in hex code. So this is the output value, which output values is stored in accumulator, and also this location 9003 location. You can see 9003, this is the this is the address and this is the data. Thanks for watching.